Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Fitria Rahmawati, dosen Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Dalam video ini saya akan menjelaskan terkait mata kuliah yang saya ampu, yakni mata kuliah Listening and Speaking for Formal Setting atau mata kuliah menyimak dan berbicara dalam konteks formal. Mata kuliah ini ditawarkan bagi mahasiswa tahun pertama, khususnya semester 1. Mata kuliah ini berbobot 4 SKS. Yang pertama akan saya jelaskan adalah terkait deskripsi mata kuliah Listening and Speaking for Formal Setting. Mata kuliah ini bertujuan untuk melatih kemampuan menyimak dan berbicara bahasa Inggris mahasiswa, terutama dalam konteks formal. Selain itu, dalam mata kuliah ini, mahasiswa akan diberikan paparan mengenai language expressions atau ekspresi kebahasaan yang akan digunakan dalam konteks formal atau dalam konteks bisnis. Adapun tujuan pembelajaran dalam mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa mampu memahami percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris khususnya dalam konteks formal atau dalam konteks bisnis. Selain itu, mahasiswa juga diharapkan untuk dapat berpartisipasi, berkomunikasi dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar sesuai dengan konteks formal. Terdapat 4 topik bahasan yang dibahas dalam mata kuliah ini. Yang pertama adalah business invitation, yang kedua adalah formal telephoning, yang ketiga business meeting, dan yang terakhir adalah formal MC. Keempat topik tersebut merupakan topik yang sering digunakan, terutama dalam konteks bisnis maupun konteks formal. Di akhir perkuliahan mata kuliah Listening and Speaking for Formal Setting, mahasiswa diharapkan mampu, yang pertama, comprehend English conversation, memahami percakapan bahasa Inggris dalam konteks bisnis atau formal. Yang kedua, make, accept, and refuse an invitation in English, yakni mereka diharapkan mampu melakukan role play dalam hal mengajak, mengundang, dan merespon undangan resmi. Yang ketiga, make and answer a phone call, melakukan panggilan telepon dalam khususnya dalam formal konteks. Yang selanjutnya adalah memimpin sebuah formal discussion atau memimpin sebuah meeting. Yang selanjutnya adalah berpartisipasi dalam sebuah meeting. Selanjutnya adalah mahasiswa diharapkan mampu membuat skrip MC atau naskah MC untuk formal event. Dan yang terakhir adalah menjadi seorang MC berbahasa Inggris yang efektif. Selanjutnya saya akan menyampaikan terkait 3 hal, yakni delivery, interaction, and assessment. Bagaimana penyampaian mata kuliah ini diberikan kepada mahasiswa, kemudian interaksi apa yang diharapkan, dan yang terakhir adalah penugasan apa yang diberikan kepada mahasiswa. Yang pertama adalah delivery atau bagaimana mata kuliah ini disampaikan kepada mahasiswa. Penyampaian mata kuliah Listening and Speaking for Formal Setting ini adalah secara daring atau online, yang dibagi menjadi 2 mode. Yang pertama adalah synchronous mode dan yang kedua adalah asynchronous mode. Untuk synchronous mode, penyampaian disampaikan melalui MS Teams, yakni secara tatap muka maya dengan aplikasi MS Teams. Sedangkan mode kedua, yakni mode asinkronus, yakni penyampaian tidak langsung, kami menggunakan LMS yang bernama MyClass yang sudah didesain oleh Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta bagi para sivitas akademikanya. Metode pembelajaran yang digunakan cukup beragam. Yang pertama adalah practice, yang kedua adalah role play, yang ketiga adalah discussion, yang keempat adalah simulation. Dengan keempat metode tersebut, saya berharap mahasiswa akan lebih aktif dan partisipatif, terutama dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk tujuan komunikasi, sehingga mereka dapat terbiasa menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam tujuan bisnis dan formal. Selain itu, keempat metode pembelajaran tadi dipilih karena menganut unsur-unsur student-centeredness, agar mahasiswa lebih aktif berpartisipasi dalam pembelajaran. Selanjutnya adalah terkait interaksi antara mahasiswa dan dosen atau sesama mahasiswa. Untuk perkuliahan sinkronus, interaksi dilakukan melalui MS Teams, di mana mahasiswa akan saling berinteraksi, bertanya jawab, dan berdiskusi dengan bahasa Inggris, terutama terkait topik-topik bahasan pada mata kuliah ini. Selanjutnya, selama sesi asinkronus, mahasiswa juga akan dibagi dalam beberapa kelompok kecil menggunakan breakout room sebagai salah satu fasilitas yang dapat digunakan melalui MS Teams. Untuk perkuliahan asinkronus, mahasiswa juga diberikan aktivitas, yakni group discussion, di mana mereka dapat saling memberikan komen atas jawaban satu sama lainnya. Yang terakhir adalah terkait penilaian. Ada beberapa unsur penilaian yang akan dibebankan pada mata kuliah Listening and Speaking and Formal Setting ini. Yang pertama adalah penilaian soft skill, yang kedua adalah penilaian hard skill. Yang pertama adalah terkait penilaian soft skill. Penilaian soft skill yakni mencakup keaktivitasan mahasiswa dalam berdiskusi, dalam berpartisipasi aktif dalam kelas. Yang kedua adalah bagaimana siswa membangun komunikasi yang efektif sesama mahasiswa dan juga dosen. Dan yang ketiga adalah cooperativeness, bagaimana mereka berkooperatif dalam kelompok mengerjakan tugas. Dan yang terakhir adalah responsibility dan bertanggung jawab. Penilaian selanjutnya, yang kedua adalah penilaian hard skill, di mana penilaian akan diambil berdasarkan performance mahasiswa ketika penyampaian tugas akhir. Terdapat 4 penugasan pada mata kuliah ini yang disesuaikan dengan jumlah topik. Yang pertama adalah terkait making and responding to business invitation yang berjumlah 15%, dan yang kedua adalah formal telephoning, dan yang ketiga adalah formal meeting simulation, yang terakhir adalah formal MC. Masing-masing mahasiswa akan bekerja bersama kelompok sekitar 3 sampai dengan 4 orang, kecuali untuk yang MC, mereka hanya berpasangan karena MC biasanya dilakukan secara berpasangan, dan masing-masing penilaian performance ini akan diberikan rubrik, yakni yang pertama terkait penyampaian mereka dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan dalam menggunakan language expressions yang sudah dipelajari untuk topik-topik yang diujikan. Yang kedua adalah konten yang disampaikan ketika mereka berbicara, ketika mereka melakukan role play, dan yang terakhir adalah the use of language functions atau penggunaan bahasa sesuai dengan konteks formal. Diharapkan mahasiswa dapat dengan konsisten menggunakan bahasa Inggris khusus untuk penggunaan konteks formal. Bentuk penugasan umumnya adalah berbentuk video recorded. Sekian deskripsi terkait mata kuliah Listening and Speaking Formal Setting. Terima kasih, semoga bermanfaat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right, good job everyone. So, a greeting from Jogja to every one of you, wherever you are. I hope that everyone is doing great. I hope that everyone is doing fine. It's great to see you again, okay, for the listening and speaking for formal setting course. And now we are on our second week. Okay, now before we start, let's see our syllabus. The first topic of the listening and speaking for formal setting course is business invitation. And in more detail, you are going to learn on how to give and respond to an invitation. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
right.
Miss.
Before we start, can you show me 3 things near you? Can you show me 3 things that is located around you or located near you? For example, I have my, what is it? I have my biscuits. That is my first thing. And then my second thing is I got my pencil. Okay. And the last one is I got my, what is it? What do you call it? Lip tint. That's right. That's right. Lip tint. That's right. Can you show me at least 3 things that are near you? Okay, show me. Pen. Okay, or air conditioner control. That's great. I see Natis brings a bottle, brings a tumbler with you, right?
This bottle, Miss.
Okay, what else you have?
And I also have mirror.
A mirror with you, okay. Okay,
And one more thing is I have lip cream.
okay. Similar with me, right? And one last thing, saya mau dengar dari cowok. Thank you, Natis. Can I move on to Lauza? Hi, Lauza. What do you have with you?
Yes, Miss.
Can you show us?
I have a phone charger.
Okay. Cowok tuh nggak bisa jauh-jauh dari charger ya. Cable man ya.
Yes.
What else?
And a action figure, Miss.
Oh, that's
Captain America.
cool. That's cool. Did you, what is it? From small pieces into that figure?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, is it a Lego?
Like Lego, yes. Similar
Ah.
like Lego.
It's cool. You have a great hobby though. Right. What is one more thing you have?
Backpack, Miss.
Oh, your backpack. Okay, nice, good. Thank you. Yeah, give applause to everyone.
Yes, Miss.
Great. Great job. Good job. Good job. Now, as I told you, our topic will be about inviting others, right? um, but this time, this is about the formal invitation. So, the learning objectives for today's class is every one of you will be able to identify, okay, the language expressions. Apa sih ekspresi bahasa Inggris yang digunakan untuk what is it? Making and responding to a formal invitation. So you know how to invite someone else, and you know how to respond to an invitation. Okay. And second one, you are going to complete a dialogue or dialogues about making and responding to a formal invitation using the correct language expressions that we will discuss later. And the last one, you will demonstrate the ability how to make and how to respond to a formal invitation. So that's our objective of the lesson today, okay? And I expect that every one of you to be active, okay? If you can turn your video, that will be better. That will be great, okay? Right. So, for example, kalian diundang seseorang, right? Somebody invites you to their event, to their occasion. So, how would you respond? How many options that you can respond?
Two.
Two.
Accept and decline.
Yes, you either accept the invitation, you decline.
Decline.
That's right. Good job, everyone. Yes, ya. Kalau nggak accept, berarti you decline the invitation. Good, excellent. And now, Miss Fit, mau dong kalian share pengalaman kalian tentang invitation. Dika. Ayo mana Dika? Silakan Dika. Andika, wait, siap.
Hello, Miss. Can you hear me?
Yes, very clear. Go ahead.
I've invited a birthday party, my friend's birthday party in 2019. But
So
it's very boring.
Oh, why?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's very boring because there is no guest star maybe atau apa.
Oke. Kenapa nggak kamu gestarnya gitu ya? I'm just curious. Was that a girl or was that a boy? Your friend?
It's a girl.
Oh, it's a girl. Okay. Okay, I see. Was she your someone special?
No. It's just
no.
a classmate.
Oh, classmate. Cool gitu dia ya, gaya jawabnya ini kayak. Okay, what did you do in the party?
Yeah, just sit with my friends.
Okay, was that 17 sweet 17? party?
Yeah, mate. Sweet 17.
Oh, okay. My next question then. Where was the event?
Wait, pardon me?
This one. Where did she invite you, or where was it? Where was the event?
In Abnormal.
Abnormal restaurant, right? Okay. Abnormal tuh kayak angkringan burjoan gitu, tapi level atas gitu ya.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can order any kinds of foods and drinks there, or she has provided you?
She has provided to me.
She has provided all her friends. Did you leave earlier or you stay until the event finished?
Until the end.
Oh, very nice of you. If I were you, I probably will leave earlier and then, just go. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Andika and siapa tadi satu lagi?
Miftahul.
Miftahul, betul sekali. All right, now the next activity after you share with me is we are going to watch a video. Okay. Before we watch, can somebody tell me about the guys, the people in the picture, in the video? Who are they? Okay.
Ini Miss, ceritanya lagi di bar gitu Miss.
Yeah, your name please. Oh, Tio. Okay,
Yes.
Tio. Okay. Can you please tell us where are they?
Lagi di bar, in the bar.
Okay. They are in the bar, and then okay.
And apalagi Miss ininya?
Oh, okay. The question. Who do you think they are?
Kayaknya teman sekantor kayak Miss.
Okay. They are colleague, right?
Yeah.
They are colleague or business partners,
Yeah,
right?
Business partner ya.
Business partners. Okay. Do you think they are from the same office or different office?
I think different office.
Different office. Great. Great. Thank you. Anyone?
I think they
Yeah.
talk about their business.
Okay, that's good. So what's your name again? Zahwa.
Zahwa.
So Zahwa thinks that they are talking about their business. Okay, let's watch completely about the video. What is it actually about? So later for the asynchronous session, you are going to access my class for the LMS for a place that you are going to learn the materials, do the activities, perform the quizzes, and so on and so forth, right? Here, you can, before starting doing the activity, please read the guideline carefully, okay? Read the guideline and follow the instruction. And then on week 1, you can download the syllabus, and then you can take the attendance for every week. And now, I would like to play the video.
Well, it's been good to meet you, Sam, and very interesting to hear about your business.
Look, we are having a small dinner for some of our clients and friends after this. Why don't you join us?
That's very kind of you. I'll just check with my associate whether they have other arrangements for us.
Well, your associate is most welcome to join us too.
So the video is taken from Australia Network, The Business of English. Any volunteer, what did you get from the video?
I think they are asking for dinner, little dinner.
Okay,
Am I right? I don't know.
you're right. Good.
You can call me Ara, Miss.
That's very cute.
Thank you.
Okay, can you tell me again about what do you think about the movie, about the video?
I think the video is about like they asking for a dinner to their business partner.
Good.
So that's
So
what I got.
that's good. Good. Thank you. Anyone?
Irda.
Yes. Yes, Irda. Good. Please.
I think at first they were talking about their business, and for second they could schedule an appointment for dinner.
Good. 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 On the second play, you have to try to identify the language expressions. Okay. So do you bring a paper and pencil with you? Try to identify, listen carefully, what are the language they are used to invite, okay, and what are the language expressions they use to respond, okay? So we have to invite and what?
Expression.
Yeah, good. Expressions to invite and expression to?
Accept and
Accept.
accepting.
Good. Accept or refuse the invitation. All right. You ready?
Yes, I'm absolutely.
Yes.
Good. Let's try it one more time. Which one is Sam Eric?
Sam.
Which one is
The
Sam?
one with
Itu
the one with glasses.
behind.
The one with good job, Rika and Irda. The one with glasses is Sam Eric. Now, my first question is, what did you hear? What language expressions did you hear to invite someone formally? Raise your hands, please.
Why don't you join us, sama would you like for join us?
Okay, good. Why don't you join us? Very good. Sudah mulai tahu ya language expressions-nya ya? Any question?
Miss.
Yes. Yes.
Miss.
I want to ask. Aulia, silakan.
Kalau misalnya pakai jawab menerima undangannya itu pakai I am honored, saya merasa terhormat karena diundang ke pesta ini gitu. Boleh nggak sih, Miss?
Boleh. Apalagi kalau yang mengundang kamu itu VIP person. Like, you know, someone that is you adore, someone that you admire very much, and then suddenly, out of sudden, he or she invites you, then you can say, "Oh my God, is it serious? Are you serious? Am I dreaming?" Nah, you can say, I'm honored. I'm very honored. You can follow me. Honored.
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 You can follow me.
Honored.
I'm honored.
I'm
Honored.
I'm honored.
Good. I'm honored. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for
Thank
inviting
you
me.
for inviting me.
Okay. Yeah. So you can say that way. Sure. Right. Now let's practice.
Good afternoon, Mr. Aslam.
Good afternoon, Ami. How are you? I've been a while.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Is there anything I can help?
Mr. Aslam, my department is going to hold an education fair at the end of this year. We would be honored to have you as the secretary of department to officially open the event by delivering an opening speech and striking the gong. Would you please join us?
Have you got the exact schedule for the event? I might need to see whether I am available on that day.
Yes, I have, sir. The education fair is going to be held on Monday, April 26th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we expect you to be in the venue by 7 a.m.
Whoa, I love the chemistry with both of you guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Let's match number and alphabet. Mana yang 1 is for A, B, or C, 2 is A, B, C, 3 A, B, C. If you finish, you can raise hands. Okay. Udah ada 5 ya? Oke, silakan Elsa.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's been nice meeting you both. Anyway, we are having a charity dinner for Palu earthquake and tsunami next week. Would you mind joining us?
Okay. Would you mind joining us? Good. Yang lain setuju?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
That's
Miss.
right.
I'm agree.
Yes,
I'm agree.
Miss.
Okay, you agree. Good. So later after this, I will give you like how many days? 3 days until Wednesday to learn these materials, watch this video, and then you have a forum to discuss. I have some questions here, and then you need to respond to the questions, and then you can also respond to somebody else answers, right? Jadi misalnya di sini nanti Fauzian merespon, terus kamu boleh respon jawabannya Fauzian. You can give comments, okay? And then we have quiz 1. You can listen the audio and then answer the questions, and then we have the video that we just watched together, and then you can do the quizzes, right? And the last one is some more information about the materials on inviting, accepting, and declining an invitation. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. Bye. Have a good evening. Dadah.
Miss.
Thank you. Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Good
Thank you very
night.
much.
Get well soon for your mom, Miss.
For you. Bye-bye.